looked for you in Paris. The lights were too bright. Streets that promised me romance. You were nowhere in sight. You looked for me in New York.
Too early just to lose some more sleep. I've been hiding from my pride, well I'm looking for a change. Oh, but what if I change my mind? Will I find my wasted time? There's somebody I look up to, I could only hope to be. If we had the conversation and know exactly what he'd say to me, what he'd say to me. He would say you'll be alright.
So I want to wash clothes. I'll show you guys what I want to wash. Maybe just clothes. What she used to. I used to clean her up because she threw up again. So, but she's better now. Maybe I think she's having maybe what do you call it? Maybe worm. I don't know. But I read that it's not safe to deworm a child before 2 years old. I don't know if that is true, but that's what I read. So I'm just waiting for when she clocks 2 years before I deworm her, because I think it's worm that's actually disturbing her. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. I know I've not really asked my doctor yet, but I saw it's not healthy to give the child one tablet before 2 years old. So I don't know. If you're a mom of maybe 1, 2, 3, and you're experiencing this kind of thing, yeah, let me know in the comment section. Is it safe to give a child one tablet before 2 years old? Yeah. So I have some clothes I need to wash because our water is not coming out, and I think it's all over the estate, all over my area. So water board is having issues, so I had to go downstairs fetch water now just to wash her because there's a lot of vomiting, but she's fine now. Yeah, so let me not talk too much. Yeah, so let's go to the washing.
So guys, this is the clothes I'll be washing. It's not really much. Yeah, after this set I have another set to wash, just few of her clothes that she threw up on. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chunabek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of 1. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So fam, let's keep on watching. Let me keep on washing the clothes. Today's video is like it's a day in my life stroke what we eat in a day. As you saw previously, hubby made breakfast, so I'll be making lunch. Like lunch will be Nigerian food. I'm making some soup and stew, and that's what I'll be doing for lunch. Then dinner, hubby has plans for dinner, so keep on watching guys.
I looked for you in Paris. The lights were too bright. Streets that promised me romance. You were nowhere in sight.
So right now I want to mop the floor. I've already swept the floor initially, so I want to mop the floor of the house. You know, when you wash clothes, you have this urge to mop everywhere here. So I want to mop the floor of the whole space. So that's what I'm doing. And I was also catching up on a YouTuber's video as well. Baby girl was also keeping me company. Yeah. So if you're watching this extent and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Thank you all so much for all the loves and support. I really, really do appreciate.
Halfway, sunset roses dancing under the rain. All the people are far and it's warm in the dark. The silence won't call our name. Moonlight over ocean. Let's meet on the island high. We float together like water. We collide like a star. Everything we have been through has got us this far. We're rewriting every story we read since we were young. Now we're both moonlight over oceans. Let's meet on the island halfway. Sunset roses dancing under the rain. All the people are far and it's warm in the dark. The silence won't call our name. Moonlight over let's meet on the island halfway. Let's meet on the island halfway. Let's meet on the island halfway. Dancing on
So guys, I'm cooking my monthly food. Like I cook bulk of soup and stew and keep it in the freezer for 1 month. Okay, and this is what I'm doing. I'm washing, that is this protein. Then I will wash my vegetables and all. Thank you all so much for the love from the previous vlog. Baby girl has slept. I really do appreciate you all. Like, thanks guys. So you guys came through for me. Yeah, so this is what I'm just doing, cooking and cleaning and the rest. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, they took the light, there's no lights, and maybe they'll bring it back later, but to not stop me from not creating content and also cooking the food. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah, I'm saying subscribe a lot guys, because I noticed my analysis is showing that I think it's 56% or 50% of people watching me, or 56% of people watching me are not subscribed yet. So please subscribe to my channel. I know you're enjoying my vlog, so why don't you hit on the subscribe button and join the family? Subscription is free guys. You don't need to pay for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, so keep on watching.
So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you just in my hand. Hey, and this happens every time, but with you I know I'll be fine. You're the sun in my darkest night. Hey.
So far I'm done cooking. This is what we have. Food is ready, and I also cooked the stew, but I did that one off camera. Yeah, so this is the stew. So I'm done cooking soup and stew for a month. I've packed it in my container that I'll put in the freezer. Yeah, so after this I took my shower and I took baby girl for a stroll because she's always saying outside, 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 outside is outside, let's go outside. So I took her for a stroll and it's already evening already, so why not, let's have some fresh air. So I took her for a stroll, and yeah, please keep on.
Chicken.